Hello, my name is Graham Hatfull and I'm a professor at the University of Pittsburgh in the Department of Biological Sciences. And it's a pleasure to introduce you to the article written by Vincent Racconello and myself in Volume 1 of Annual Review of Virology. And the article is titled PHIRE and TWiV, Experiences in Bringing Virology to New Audience. So the goal of the article is to discuss these two programs and general ways in which we may be able to entice and engage new audiences, folks that might otherwise not be engaged in virology, to the wonderful and enticing landscape of all topics across virology. So the first of the programs is the PHIRE program, which stands for Phage Hunters Integrating Research and Education. And its associated program, which is called C-Phages. You'll have to read the article to find out what that acronym stands for. And the PHIRE and C-Phages programs use bacteriophage discovery and genomics to engage students, high school students, freshman undergraduate students in the process of scientific research and scientific discovery by taking advantage of the enormous diversity and the vast phage population to discover how these genomes relate to each other and how bacteriophages have evolved. The second program, TWiV, which stands for This Week in Virology, is in contrast a quite distinctly different approach. TWiV is a podcast in which a small group of scientific experts in virology discuss all topics, a wide range of topics that are grouped around issues in virology, and they discuss these in their full scientific sophistication, but work to break through the jargon and the complexities so that these issues can be understood and appreciated by a broad and general audience. So PHIRE and TWiV certainly represent very distinct and different approaches to bringing virology to new audiences, but they share in this commonality of finding ways to bring what might otherwise be a fairly complicated topic to a large and broad audience. So I'm sure that there are many more ways of bringing virology to new audiences than are represented by the PHIRE and TWiV initiatives alone, but we invite you to read the article, learn more about PHIRE and TWiV, and we hope that this might stimulate you to think about new and additional approaches to which virology may be brought to new audiences. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the article.